Hi, I'm Jason Montgomery, Production Manager at Cloacina. Did you know that Cloacina is the leading fabricator of stainless steel tanks? Well, today I want to tell you why. All tankage and equipment skids are fabricated from stainless steel. We only fabricate stainless steel products, so there is no chance of cross-contamination with other metals. Fabrication team members are certified welders and stainless steel specialists. Our structural engineer is licensed in 48 states. Everything built in our factory has to pass rigorous quality control and quality assurance testing. Our tanks are chemically and electrically passivated and leak tested. Lastly, every product that leaves our building is built by American hands. We are proud of the level of craftsmanship that leaves the building. We will continue to honor the level of craftsmanship that our ancestors produced. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us.